I'm gonna see if my cat's gonna eat this. Come on. Eat the dang lizard! Get him! Get him! Come on. Come on. Kill it already! Freaking lose the root. It's right here. It's on you. It's on you. Look at right here. Go kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Stupid. Wait, I'm gonna see. Cat reacts to this lizard that's biting it. Okay, come on. It's biting. Oh my gosh. Your ear hurts. I know this is like animal cruelty probably, but this is the best thing I've ever seen. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Eat it. Eat it. This camera sucks. My camera phone. Ow. Don't bite me. It's on your ear. Kitty, it's on your ear. this thing needs to come off. Get it off. Get it off. Oh my god. Oh! Probably it. Ow. Look. Got it. Come on, you need to annihilate this thing, okay? Hold on. What if it bites like its whisker or something? Then the cat will be pissed. This lizard's like barely breathing. Oh. Kitty, come on. Come on. Get him. Get him. Can you kill it already? Come on, that's what the people want to see. Dude, you need a feed to feed your babies. Wait. Ooh, what if I shove it down there? Hold on. Oh, and this thing has hair in its mouth. Oh. Oh. Bite the nose. Come on. Come on. Bite the nose. I swear I'm gonna end up getting bitten by this lizard. I mean, by the cat. Oh! 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 Kill the freaking lizard! I will personally. Probably should take your leash off. Hold on. Come see. And if you're thinking, who puts a leash on a cat? Well, I do. Well, this is the end of this video because my cat is apparently nice and gentile. Eat the freaking cat, the lizard. Eat the freaking lizard, okay? Eat the freaking lizard. Did the tail fall off? Why am I laughing? This is so mean. gosh. No way that thing's alive. Eat it already. He's trying to grab. She. It's not the lizard. What the fuck is this cat doing? This is not a lizard, you idiot. He's just. Are you gonna go get it? Ew. Are you gonna go? You gonna go get this? Is it alive? Oh my god, this thing is still alive. I think this cat's in predator mode more. Because it's like, I don't want to end it. We're just getting to the good part. Alright, it's this time where you eat the lizard. Oh shit. Oh, you can like still move. Go. Go. Oh, you have something over. I need to eat the freaking look. It's just a birdhouse. Eat the freaking lizard. What? I am. I don't know. Okay, this is the end of this. Because my cat does not want to go eat the lizard. Oh, you're a fat cat because you're pregnant. You gotta listen. Gotta eat to feed your babies, okay? Okay? I'm disappointed in you. No tuna today.